Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today we will be making rain sticks or shakers. For supplies, you'll need a cardboard tube like a paper towel roll, markers or paint to color with, any decorations like stickers, buttons, plain paper, and glue if you are using markers and pencils, tinfoil, wax paper or parchment paper, tape, scissors, small random beads, rice, beans, sand, dry pasta. First, we will decorate the cardboard tube. Here I am coloring onto a piece of paper that I measured out to fit the tube. If you are painting, you can go right ahead. Once you are done decorating, cut out a small square of wax paper to cover one end of the tube. Press it firmly around the tube and tape it in place securely. Make sure there are no gaps. Next, with a piece of tinfoil, roll it up loosely along the side. Then scrunch it lightly with your hands. Grab a marker or paintbrush handle and wrap the tinfoil around it to make a spiral. Slide the tinfoil off and place it inside your tube. You can bend and pull the tinfoil to fit it neatly inside. For the filling, you can use anything small and dry like rice, sand, dry pasta, or beads. An easy way to fill the tube is to use a funnel. If you do not have a funnel, you can easily make one out of paper by rolling it into a cone shape, taping it, and then cutting off the extra paper. Funnel in a few small handfuls of the filling. To test out the sound, place your palm over the opening and carefully turn it up and down to hear the sound. Add enough filling to your liking. Then tape over the opening with another piece of paper and tape it shut. Finally, you could glue on the decorated paper and your rain stick or shaker is finished. Experiment with different sizes, decorations, or fillings. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, the written instructions are linked in the description box below. Remember to like and subscribe for more fun art videos. And don't forget to check out our website for more art and craft tutorials and free downloadable coloring pages and resources. Take care and see you in the next video.